Yep.
I'm thinking it's
A bus is coming. No, not a first ticket. Let's see what a bus is.
bus number 1960.
1960 Lakeside bus.
We were all wrong.
Yeah, it was. That was a Lakeside bus, guys. Did you know? Did you notice?
I did, yeah. I didn't think it was Lakeside though. But you know what? There is a Grand Prairie Transit that's 1960.
No, there is a Grand Prairie doesn't have 1960.
Oh.
Oh no, we don't have 1955.
It's okay, Tom. You're still learning.
59.
No, yes.
There's no.
I believe
There's no.
Oh, Tom.
Nico, is there a 1963?
I can't remember.
Can't remember.
I don't know. There's 1963. Lakeside does.
Lakeside does? Okay. Yeah, they're doing a lot, Charlie.
Hey, look, we are passing Melrose Park. It's where there are many featured.
That's okay, just some sound effects.
There's the Melody Plaza. That's the Melody Plaza Farm, Tom. Did you see that? And there is River Tree Court. Tom, do you see River Tree Court? On the left side, River Tree Court.
They will cut the corner less and less.
And they have a Sky Zone in that area. Have you
Oh,
been?
I see. This shopping center is River Tree Court.
We've been there. Didn't we go there for Jonah's party?
Yeah, when that was my first year in transition. Yeah.
Yeah. But I had his birthday party there.
Hey, I know, I also had
Charlie, look, we're passing Shake Shack.
Like Lizette from the front desk. I know you did, Charlie.
Charlie, you like Lizette? I do like Lizette because of the frozen shirt that she was.
What happened about what happened when
Wait, I just want Alan switch shirts when they go into a census.
a present for Bob.
I just want to switch shirts when we go into a census. I just wanted to say which shirts when we go into a census.
Okay, everybody, calm down.
No, I'm calling all the way up.
Yeah.
What? Stay.
Now let her set the headphones.
I came prepared.
Oh, we could have one of those silent dance parties. You ever have those? Yeah, where you put on the headphones and everybody dances to the song.
Yeah, you can dance your own music.
I want to be.
Oh, I'd love a video of that. Everybody dancing in their seats and then one boy going,
No.
You know the dance move that you're exactly doing in Fortnite, right?
Hey, I just impressed with the dance.
Look, I see a Safeway bus over there.
So sorry, I haven't practiced my
Oh my God!
Look on the right, they have a lot of inflatables up here. Look.
yeah.
They have a really big inflatable. I don't know.
That's Walmart. My mom.
Your mom
I
works there?
think they have something similar at Old Orchard.
Yes. Yeah, Old
work
Orchard
there?
is
With a
the
huge
same.
My mom. I already
there?
told you.
Your mom works there?
Works where?
At Walmart.
Oh,
Wait,
for
find it.
Walmart or at Walmart? Like
She the manager, the CEO.
You don't mean inflatables, right, Tom?
Megan's mom.
No, doesn't she do like logo stuff?
You're going to.
No, she's
I thought she was a higher.
she is. She's an executive. No, she doesn't
Ah,
work at
did it? I forgot the word.
We're almost there.
Walmart. Almost there.
What the section is?
Yeah, we'll talk later.
What's that? I have no idea.
VP is the highest rank you can have in the examiner.
Yeah.
Did you know they changed it so you can see lights now?
Oh, super jargon.
Remember in Splatoon?
Um,
Thing with the golden light?
The
You know how annoying it was to get the
I'm
next
the
bit?
boss. I'm the
No, I
boss.
was too focused on
I want
Not getting killed by me.
Wendy's. Wendy's. Wendy's.
Wendy's, yeah.
Wendy's, yes.
Yeah.
Wendy's.
I don't know.
Wendy's. Much better. Let's go burger.
I don't know. Alright.
That's the burgers, yeah.
Hey, I just wanted to say something. Which church were we going to dentist?
Wait a
You
minute.
had a big mouth.
Hey, like when
I just want to say something. Are you listening about which church to go to dentist? Hello? Hello? I just want to talk which church are going to a dentist.
Sam. Why are you talking about your characters again?
No,
You're not talking-
the other characters from She-Ra and the Vegetables.
Yeah, those are characters. Yeah, listen to Luciano.
Yeah, this is China.
Sam, you have a quiet voice.
They have like, you're not, they have arrows that tell you where to go, but like, technically you can drive through them. So like, the arrows change throughout the laps. So you have to memorize like which direction the arrows are going to point.
Oh look at that big road right here.
Yeah.
Half the time I'll turn left and I gotta turn right.
Memory stuff is hard.
We are halfway there, guys. Look, we're already there.
Yeah, you'll see
I
it's
can't wait
impossible.
I think I saw my phone first.
McAllister's Deli, Tom.
Yeah. Do you
I
think the
can't
nice
wait to
man
listen
works
to my
there?
own music.
No, he works in Deerfield.
Wait, does anybody know when the Olympics start? Because that's soon,
I
right?
know he probably doesn't like McAllister's, Tom.
Yeah, my
No,
feelings
but
are
he's
going
right.
there.
He likes KFC.
Hey, which
He owns,
church
I don't want McAllister's, Tom.
Huh?
What did you say?
McAllister's Charlie say. I don't want to go.
Yeah.
How did he yell, Tom?
No, we're not gonna yell right now, buddy.
I mean, Tommy. Oh,
No, we already got enough yelling on the bus.
you tell you. I don't want to get. I don't want to
Yeah,
go.
my mom made me like
I
go
don't
to
want to get. I don't want to get. And then they need to
You're
McAllister.
going to the
Look,
Olympics?
McAllister's. Oh yeah. Look at
Did they know that the Eiffel Tower has been painted gold?
we're going to the
I want
tennis
KFC for lunch.
Yeah, that's in tennis, right? Wait, tennis isn't an Olympic sport, is it? I'm pretty sure tennis is just like a pro, it just has its own pro thing.
Here we are. Turtle Creek. Wait,
At
wait.
the very least, tennis is not in the Mario Olympics games. So, there's that.
The Mario Olympic Games for reference.
Well, how far?
Well, they have badminton, they just don't have,
I remember coming to this place, Tom.
Do you like it?
Hey, Libby, you have your sunglasses?
I have my sunglasses on.
I'm
Why?
really bad at badminton. I'm pretty sure I'm less bad at tennis than I am at badminton.
I do.
What? Whoa!
Hey, do you think Catcher would go to a dentist
Yeah.
or Kate?
No, me don't. Sorry.
Are we parking up here, Tom?
Yeah, I think this is a good spot.
I'm just,
Yeah,
I'm
I
just really
think so,
bad with,
too.
like, anything.
I think here we are at this park. And alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this long ride to here. So that will be it. So we have to quiet. We go. Alright guys, that's it. And thanks, and that's it. And thanks for watching.